Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can change the video resolution in CapCut, especially for PC. Alright, so after you finish editing the video, you are just going to click the export button in the top right corner. Alright, so after that I'm going to remove the effect because it's pro effect. So go to export and you can find the resolution option and frame rate, bitrate, and etc. So you can change for the resolution, just click on resolution and you can see it's available from 480 pixel until 4K. You can select this one as you need. Yeah, you can change the resolution for make your video better. Your quality video is better. Alright, and after you change the resolution, it can be changed for the size, for video size. You can see. So select a resolution and change for the frame rate, also bitrate, and etc. And just click export. I hope this was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.